Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to your 8th C++ tutorial. In this tutorial, we will wrap up conditional statements. We're gonna write better code than this, because the goal of the programmer programming this code, it's readability. So when you try to come back to the same code you've programmed in, you want it to understand what you programmed. This doesn't look readable, and this looks awful. So the only remedy for this is using a switch case statement. So let's take all of this, and to write down, so to type in switch case, you just put switch parentheses, and in the parentheses you put in the variable that you want to use for a conditional statement, and then so in this case it's x, and then you put case here, and then it's kind of like an if statement. If x were to equal to some number, except you put in the value, which for the comparison. So the switch case statement only does equals. Um, I don't see any. Um, there's no switch case statement that does greater than or less than. Okay, so let's just put case 7, and to end this case, put break with it followed by a semicolon, and then if x would be equal to 7, we're gonna print out x equals 7 followed by 2 exclamation points, and we're gonna end that line. You can put as many cases you want to put. So let's just put case 8 for example, and if x were to equal to 8, we're gonna print out x equals 8 followed by 2 exclamation point, and we're gonna end that line. Okay, that's fine and dandy, but what if we want to have an equivalent else statement? So what if we want a statement that if all else fails, if x does not equal to any of these numbers, well, we put a default keyword, and then you put colon here, and then you put break at the end, and if x doesn't equal any of these variables, we're going to print out x does not equal anything by 2 exclamation point, and we're gonna end that line. Okay, so what's gonna do in this program, so we have assigned x to 7. So in the switch statement, if x were to equal to 7, which it does, it's gonna print out x equals 7. So, and it's gonna skip over all of the rest of the statements. So let's run this program, and we should get that print out as expected. And we did. And let's try out a random number. So let's say x equals 9. So if x were to equal 9, it's going to print out this because it doesn't equal 7 nor 8. So let's run this program again, and hopefully we get the printout as we expected. And we did. We printed out x doesn't equal anything because x doesn't equal 7 or 8. Hopefully you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.